Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Shiitake and Kombu Tsukudani. Rehydrated dried shiitake mushrooms and kombu seaweed are cooked and seasoned mainly with sugar and soy sauce. It goes great with steamed rice for its strong sweet and salty flavor. These are the ingredients. For more information, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we soak the dried kombu and shiitake mushrooms in water and rehydrate for 1 hour. Make sure you save the water as it's packed with umami. Take kombu and mushrooms out and cut the kombu into 1-inch squares. And remove the stem of the mushrooms and slice it thinly. Measure 1 cup of the saved water and put it in a medium pot with kombu and shiitake. Cook at medium-low heat for 20 to 25 minutes covered. Add the rest of the ingredients: sugar, sake, soy sauce, and mirin. Cook at low heat until all the liquid is almost gone. You can use tsukudani to top a bowl of plain steamed rice or with ochazuke, rice and tea. It is also a great filling for onigiri rice balls. It's a simple yet perfect seasoning for your rice.